Regarding kind of Black Friday specifically and going into your busy season, you want to make sure that you really just have kind of a very organized and a console that works for your brain and how your brain functions. So what I recommend to every single one of my customers is that you're going to be clearing out anything that's dormant or irrelevant to kind of help the team focus on Black Friday, Cyber Monday. So whether that's going through your current pinned issues list, as well marking issues as closed ignored or closed fixed, and then especially making sure that your columns are actually configured correctly for every single one of your domains and your tabs. So priority, pinned, etc., all issues, you're going to have to make sure your columns are set for all of those. And then particular to your columns as well, you can actually utilize labels kind of as an alternate way to manage issues. Let's say you've had 5 issues in that pinned list that have been sitting there for a few months. They're probably going to kind of wait until after the busy season's over. What you could just label that as is like Post-BFCM. So when your team's in there and they're looking for stuff to work on during the busy season, they're not going to kind of get caught up in stuff that isn't necessarily relevant to right here, right now.